Open the Google Chrome browser. Now then write your vscode. Then enter click. Then this is the official web page code.visualstudio.com. Click here now. Then click here download button. Then choose your operating system. I am Windows operating system. Then I click here. Now the file is downloading. After download the file, go to download. Download folder here. Then click. Then the file already downloaded. Double click here. Now click here. I accept the agreement. Then click next. Then click next. Then again click next. Then again next. Now click install. Wait. Finish. Now click finish. Now wait. The file will be open automatically. After installing this editor, you will see here then you will find the theme. Here you can change your editor theme, dark, modern is default theme, and then you don't need anything to change. Just click here next section, then click again, and then click mark done. Then your editor will be ready. And then you have to change some setting. Click this button and then click setting. Then at first you have to change this setting auto save. Click here, then select after delete. What is auto save? Auto save will save your files automatically. You don't need to click on the save button frequently. Your file will be saved automatically when you are at typing. Even if you have load setting problem, then there is no to be worried to lose your file. That's why you have to select after delete. And then you can increase your font size, and then there is nothing to change to any setting. Okay, and then you have to go to theme. Go to theme. Okay, select setting, then select theme, then color theme, then dark modern is default theme. You can choose another theme from here, but I will allow use dark modern. Even you can also download from here. Click here. You must have the connection of internet. Then write here dark theme. D-A-R-K dark. My network is slow. Then choose from here your theme and then click install button. If you install the Yarudark is beautiful theme. Then click here. Yarudark theme will be look like same, and code will be look like same. Then click here to install. Then this theme will be installed. And then go to setting, then theme, select theme, then select file icon, theme, then select install additional file icon theme here. Install additional file icon theme, then select here and write Ayudar. Ayu is beautiful icon theme. Now select here. The file will be look like when your file icon will be look like change. Then install your now you are completely ready to write your code. Now watch the next video how to learn best video to learn coding. Please subscribe our channel to get video step by step. After learning to learn on basic and then advanced, then we'll make 5 project. Project that project price leave 500 to $1,000 in the marketplace. Okay, thank you my all student of DUDE and